stare off into space too deep. Look out in the wild, see right through the open window. Like an only child, feel the beat and watch the wind blow. Everything's all around you, with all that is in between. Nothing that can or will surround you will keep you from living your dream. It's okay, it's okay to look back. It's okay, it's okay to look back. It's okay to look back. Did you make the choice to walk on through the sliding door? Did you hear the voice or listen to what you were told before? Look out of the blue, a path so green.